Hello. Salam.
What happened to him?
He's waiting for us now.
Okay. That's a good surprise.
Yeah. Hello. السلام عليكم. في عنتا هاي كان سبرتا وايد كان سبرتا.
Mohammed,
والله ما حد شكتك.
والله iska waran.
Oh, I can't believe I'm speaking to you. I carry your name, and for many years I carry that with me, and I'm proud of what I have achieved. But as a person, I always wonder, where's Muhammad? Where is he? Okay? What would life been like for him? I think about it all the time, and in person, I just wanted to get in touch and to see how you're doing. Are you happy? Do you have family? You have kids? You married?
No, not yet, not yet.
Okay. It's hard to say everything, but
Yeah, I can see. It's okay, just talk. It's okay.
have you ever seen me run?
I saw you only on television.
Okay. Are you any good at running, or
Me? No.
are you a football fan?
Arsenal fan, Arsenal.
We're okay then. We're okay.